If you're frustrated with TikTok and believe that there's no way to go viral, then this video is for you, especially if you're a small creator. So I'll show you 3 growth strategies that are guaranteed to make you go viral at least once. And it's not what you might think. And I've used all of these strategies to reach millions of followers and to help my students grow and reach hundreds of thousands of followers as well. So enough talking and let's go. So strategy number 1, repost your own videos. But what do you mean by that? Well, it's not as simple as it sounds, because there are some rules you have to follow. First of all, you have to repost every 5 to 10 posts. Whatever makes you feel more comfortable, because many creators are afraid of reposting. But why should you repost? Well, by reposting your own content, and I mean the videos that have already done well, this way you increase the possibilities of getting a lot of views again and even potentially going viral. I've had a video with 500k views that I reposted after a few days and it got 20 million views. My most viral video ever. And it's basically already proven to work. But make sure to not delete the original video. Deleting videos is bad already on its own, and deleting a video that has done well, it's even worse. It might lead to shadow bans and it signals the algorithm that hey, something's going on with this page. And I wouldn't recommend reposting a video that you uploaded in the past 3 to 5 days. And the best way to repost, it's not by downloading it through the TikTok app, nor by re-uploading the same file again. What you should do is either grab the original file or download the TikTok using Snaptik, then open a third-party editor like CapCut, InShot, Adobe Premiere Pro, and export the video again with a different file name. You can even try a different format. This basically makes the video new, but make sure to try the next strategy as well, because it might be a game changer. Let's go. So strategy number 2 is trying different length formats. Lately TikTok is trying to push longer and longer videos. They introduced 3-minute videos, 10-minute videos, and now there are even paying creators who make 60 seconds plus videos with the TikTok creativity program. This tells us that TikTok promotes longer videos. If you make short videos, I would highly recommend you to try and make longer ones, because the algorithm might pick it up and promote it to a large amount of audience. Especially if you're a new creator, it's the best time for research and experimentation. And of course, you should keep in mind that every single page is different. Maybe for me, longer format content works better, and for you, shorter videos work better. I was making videos around 50 seconds before TikTok was pushing all that, and I had a ton of viral videos. But there is a key difference between these two. If you can keep the viewer's attention for at least 30 seconds, then try longer videos. I was making 50-second videos, and the viewer retention was around 30 seconds, and I got millions of views on all these videos. Even the 20 million video I was talking about, that was also 50 seconds long. One focuses on how many seconds you can keep the viewer hooked, and the other one focuses on if you can make the viewer watch the whole video and maybe a little bit more. And since we're talking about TikTok's features, the last one might be the reason you go viral. Let's see. Strategy number 3 is utilizing TikTok's features. So like we said, there are some features that TikTok is always pushing more. Using TikTok's features in general helps you go viral because TikToks love when people are using its features. So that's why it's better to upload through a mobile device instead of a laptop. And of course, there are features that TikTok is pushing more at specific periods of time. These are called trending features. Utilizing the trending features increases the possibility of going viral even more. But if they don't fit your niche, you don't have to worry, because using any other TikTok's feature also does a lot. I've gone viral multiple times with stitches. TikTok wasn't really pushing stitches. I just had an idea of stitching other people's videos, of people just, pointing at a title and then showing random pictures with a story, and I was explaining that story. I was either giving a backstory to what the people were saying, or correcting the story, or just adding to the story. It could be true crime, history, or anything interesting in general. And you can do that in any niche, and it's always entertaining to watch. And that was the way I revived my account. But if you can find a trending TikTok feature that you can use in your niche, then you're lucky because you just got into the hype train. For example, lately TikTok is pushing its filters, and specifically the ones that are some kind of games. So people will usually hook with a random title, like if I win this game it means blank, or my cousin couldn't beat this game because of blank. And I've tried clicking on not interested in these videos, and the algorithm just kept pushing them to me. So that's what I mean, that TikTok's features can be powerful. It can get you to the TikTok creativity program, account and you can try and make these type of videos 1 minute long and make a lot of money. And if you want to learn more about all that, you can download my Creator Playbook Economy. It is a completely free guide that covers a lot of things from finding viral video ideas to how to build a niche of one and make money on TikTok and on social media in general. It's completely free, and you also join my email list where I will be sending you valuable emails every week. I hope you like it and love you. Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, where you will learn how to get 1,000 followers on TikTok even if you already have them. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.